going camping.
No.
Sorry, camping's on my mind. Camping's on my mind.
We're going hiking.
We're going hiking at Devil's Den with Emma.
Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle.
Yeah, my bestie in the whole world.
It's gonna be pretty.
Yeah.
Natural state, Arkansas.
Yep. And hopefully we find a snake.
I'll pick it up and show you.
Yeah. Oh, and waterfalls also. There's waterfalls and caves. So there's a lot to look at. I'm really excited.
Okay,
let's go.
Let's go.
I unfortunately have black lungs, and me going on this hike is torturing myself.
You don't have black lungs, bro.
I'm probably this close to getting popcorn lungs.
How?
Vaping for years.
Don't vape, guys.
Don't vape,
I've vaped for 4 years straight.
Don't vape, guys.
That's not.
You can't go on hikes
I'm
like
not
this.
flexing. I'm saying. I literally am saying that my health
Don't
is
do
bad.
that shit.
Yeah, don't vape, guys.
Anyways, stairs like Kung Fu Panda. Look at her with the angles, bro.
Guys, Emma's our professional camera person. Our camera woman.
I'm trying not to trip up these stairs.
Let me get you. Okay, those weren't that bad. Those weren't that bad.
I think this is an entrance. Bruh. I swear I thought we were right here.
We can just walk. I think we should go back to where we.
Yeah, there's no point of going down here because
There's nothing. It's just. Oh wait. Oh yeah.
caves are closed.
So no caves, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh well, maybe.
Maybe
Yeah,
this
me
is
too.
the ice sparks. Or Waterfall Bridge, actually. That's gotta be Waterfall Bridge. Okay, let's go.
Hello.
How are you guys doing today?
We're good. How are y'all?
Oh, I'm tired.
You too. Okay, back down the fucking stairs we go. Wow, nature. I haven't been out in nature like this in forever. People need to connect more with the world. Oh! Just keep recording, stop cutting it.
And leave that in too, so you can see.
No, I'm not mean.
Guys, I'm doing this for free.
She's doing this for free. James out here yelling at her.
For real.
You have to be.
The work environment.
Don't even say toxic, bro. I bought her a free drink.
For $6.
Still, I still bought her a drink.
I drank it all,
The
guys.
last $6 in my bank account.
If you keep complaining him about your money.
See, now he's in the one.
Guys!
Warning signs and fences have not been installed.
Oh, okay, guys, don't fall off.
If you die, it's on you.
Can someone die for the vlog?
I offer.
You gotta pay her.
If I die, you gotta pay me.
Let's go.
If I die.
Can you hold this? I don't know if you're fine.
Hold it like this.
Oogly boogly, that thing is juicy. Guys, I wonder what those red rhombuses, diamonds mean.
It means that you're going the right way.
Well,
We stopped seeing red diamonds on trees. We're lost. Okay, guys, let's go see what's up here. Oh, I'm gonna walk around like this. Holy. Oh. Well, I think we should come up here, guys. It's not a trail, but it looks pretty cool. I'm coming down.
Oh, there's mushrooms on the tree. Yeah, one.
Guys,
This is so beautiful.
should I eat that mushroom?
No, you should not eat that mushroom.
You think they can see us like if I hold a camera like this?
No, that's a stupid angle. Look how you're holding it. Think of YouTube. Which way do you watch a video? Sideways, not up and down.
Fine.
Look normally.
God, you guys see that attitude she has? It's crazy. God, watch out for them redheads, dude.
Look at me.
Got an attitude on them. I love it.
Oh,
This thing's so.
Okay, rest stop number 1. Someone's digging into, water. Thought you were gonna get snacks. Okay, I think we already found the snake, guys. Someone's yelling. We're gonna go see. Hi. So cute.
How do we miss that?
I don't know. That was easy. We already got a snake. We already found a snake, and we've only been doing this for how long? Like 30 minutes? Cute. Okay, guys, this is a cave.
Look at those rocks.
This is a cave entrance. I think this one's called the ice box.
I think it's supposed to be closed too, but showing
Yeah.
the gate.
Yeah, the gate
I don't know how the gate got way
is
over
all the way. It's supposed to be up there, I
there.
think.
Like the gate goes down under all this mountains.
Yeah, I'm gonna sneak in there a little bit.
Yeah.
So they're all closed because all the bats got sick and were spreading viruses. And also, oh my god, water got on me, it scared me. Also, someone died apparently, a kid.
Not in this one.
Not in this one. The one that we stopped at
It's
earlier.
like cold down here.
Yeah, it's called the ice box.
Okay, someone did die.
Someone did die down here. A teenager. But yeah, so it's called the ice box because there's something in there that like,
It's just the air from under there.
yeah, it's really cold air that comes out from under the earth, and yeah, that's why it's called the ice box.
Chilly over
It is way colder, or cooler. Probably dropped like 5 degrees. Bro. Holy shit.
People really be going into crap like this too. Scary.
Wow. Let's see if I can zoom in.
Oh yeah, it's getting it.
So deep in there.
See how far.
Get your fingers out the way, dummy.
Oh my. Nah, it won't get much. Yeah, there's this one.
It's not that deep. That one's just. Oh yeah. That's
What if I dropped your phone in there? We'd have to go down there.
Yep. Is it open over there? Oh, it's over there.
Ooh. It's cool as fuck. If you guys aren't in nature, what are you doing? What are you doing?
You wanna go down there?
Yeah. Not all the way down. We can go down a little ways. Anyways, if you guys aren't in nature, get the fuck up.
Oh, it's actually cooler over here.
Like instant coldness? Holy. It is way colder.
Can we take a picture or something?
Emma can take pictures, send them to you.
This?
Oh, I can go down there. I wanna go down there.
You can go under there. If we weren't pussies, we'd do it.
People didn't die.
Yeah, if people weren't dying.
Yeah, people were dying. Maybe a little more.
But that's cave diving, low key. You're gonna go in there
Have you
already
guys saw
know.
that trend? Cave divers, and then they like, is your 6 feet sticking out? Okay. How should I post for this? Don't fall back.
Please don't fall. It'd be good for the content though.
Like this? Yeah, that's good.
Alright, you guys are gonna live taking pictures. This is what I gotta deal with.
Beautiful. Yeah.
They love their pictures. They love their pictures, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, we do. And what about it? That's so. Imagine if you hit your head on one of those.
Yeah, you're done
dead.
for.
You're dead.
Somebody wrote an M right there, you see it? I don't know if you can see it on the camera.
Yeah.
God, I keep getting my freaking fingers in. Someone's been down there.
I'm sure lots of people have. Or just
Yeah.
pussies.
Oh, look over there.
Oh!
Another
That's
More.
the entrance, the entrance.
Oh, there's... This looks sick. Gosh, why'd they have to close this shit up? Why do them bats have to get a virus? Corona started here, guys.
Look, there's a skeleton in there. Their body.
Yeah.
But anyways, you walk down here. Apparently they've been closed for like 15 years. They haven't been open. We probably should have done our research and
Oh, yeah, the rocks are
find that out because I thought we were coming in here going in caves, but nope.
Fallen rocks, that's why it's closed.
Oh yeah, see, rocks are falling and shit. So all the caves are closed.
It's just the earth is changing, so
We were just born in the wrong era. Because it would have been cool as shit to come in here.
look behind it. Wait.
Hey, walk down the stairs. Hold on, redo it. Redo it. Jaden, where are you going?
I'm going in the cave.
Oh. She fell.
I almost busted my ass.
It probably worked better for me because I'm taller.
Yeah, you wanna try?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. We should pop up.
I'm going down the elevator. Ready?
He's in the cave, guys.
What was another one?
We should. Oh wait, can you get on the elevator again?
Yeah.
Come up, come up. Have something.
Hiking is so fun, guys. I can't believe we haven't done this sooner.
Get out in nature.
We're so out of shape, guys.
Yeah, we're so very out of shape, but it's okay.
We're still enjoying every moment of these caves.
Yeah.
But we can't go in.
Okay, we'll catch you guys at the next rest stop or cool place. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's literally been like 5 steps, and we found something cool.
It's a big, giant cave entrance.
Yeah.
Probably.
What did
Dude,
it look like 15 years ago?
Imagine
People were
sliding
going
down that thing
and stuff.
when it snows. Go sledding down that giant.
You're dead.
Bro, it would be so fun though.
Let's go down here.
What if they're holding people hostage and they're like in jail cell?
Oh my god, don't say that. Ooh,
Hello.
it's really so pretty. Oh my god.
Arrow. Almost fell. Be careful. It's actually slippery. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! They're like holding you.
Oh yeah.
Like
Give me a
this.
leg. Oh shit.
Like this.
Wait. Let her get back here. No. Give me your leg. Oh my arm. Oh my glasses.
What you see right here is actually from erosion. And I know this because
Bro, they can't even fucking see it. What if someone in the comments be like, boy, that ain't even erosion?
they'll be going against me, and I have a doctorate in that shit, so.
So, guys, this is another erosion rock.
And you know this
Emma,
because
you need to go
how
down
it
this
looks.
first. It's so pretty. So, stairway through the rocks. Oh, cute.
That water feels good.
Very pretty.
Yeah, this. Yeah, this. I'm one with the land. Always.
Tasty.
Probably the best water I've ever had. Am I gonna get that fungal thing from the back?
No, I don't think there's any bats over here.
This is really pretty. Yeah, are you getting all of this?
Yeah.
Gosh, this is gorgeous.
Look at the sun hitting mushroom tree. Mushrooms.
Should I eat the mushroom?
Like and subscribe and Jamie will eat the mushroom. Don't you dare do it. Oh gosh.
Come on.
Yo, that's a big
Oh,
ass.
Emma.
Waterfall.
Oh. Oh my god.
OMG, this is big.
Like
Wait, guys, are we in Arkansas or are we in Avatar?
Are we being filmed right now? That's a little baby one.
That one's even prettier than this one.
Don't fall.
Be careful.
Oh. Here, I'll get it.
Can we kiss her now?
Can't really see it because of the sun. Shit, my finger.
Can you video?
This is gorgeous.
Get closer. Cute. Look. Guys, this is so pretty.
It's coming out of freaking fairy tale.
Oh, look at all the way up there.
This is.
You get the place to be here in Arizona. This is so beautiful. Grab your phone.
Guys, Jamin got kissed by nature. It's a
I'm a nature boy.
Look at the eyes are so black. It's so cute.
You got on your finger?
I'm trying. Hey, that's so cute. Yay.
Put him back. Actually, no, we should set him free. Just set him free.
Yeah,
Put
put
him
him on the tree.
Yeah, set him on a tree. I wonder how that got on me.
I don't know. Maybe it fell out of the tree. Probably.
Oh my god! Nature!
Guys, count how many times Jamin says nature.
Hey, do you guys want to stop and eat lunch soon?
Yeah.
I'm a little hungry.
You didn't make me a sandwich.
Whoa, I got a toast on.
It almost fell over, guys. Wow. We just got done with our lunch and we're back to hiking. Devouring that kiwi, dude. Guys, look at this tree. It's like engraved with all kinds of letters. It kind of looks trippy a little. I think this is supposed to be E plus J. I can't tell.
Thanks.
ED? Maybe?
I think this is a G. G.
D?
E.
No, I think it's
It's not E.
E and D?
G. It's a G.
no J and J, surprisingly.
One J.
Or that could be a T also. I don't know. Cute triangle. Bing, bing. beautiful, beautiful.
Should I push her? I should push her in the water. Just kidding.
What were you thinking?
Nothing.
Don't get any ideas. I'm gonna.
You smell the honeysuckle? Look. Honeysuckle smells so good.
Probably the best smelling flower.
There's pink. There's pink. There's pink ones. I want a pink one. There's a pink one. Right
Hey, you can actually.
Wait, honey, look at this.
Look at all these honeysuckles. Wait for me. Let's do it together.
Amazing. Oh, the pink ones aren't blue.
I've never eaten them.
There's kind of a pink one here.
What does it taste like?
You never had a honeysuckle?
Nope.
You know how to
Wait
eat
for
it?
me.
You know how to eat one?
No.
Okay, don't do it yet. Hold it upside down like this. And what do you want?
Yeah.
You know how to eat on this, right? No?
You eat the
Okay,
stem.
You hold it upside down, you pinch the very tip of it, and then a little string will come out. You go slow, slow, slow. You see that liquid?
Oh, mine
See that
didn't
liquid?
come out.
It's sweet.
Oh.
Actually, I think the pink ones are not that... Let me get a... The pink ones are not that bloomed yet, so...
That had nothing on it. I didn't taste
Here,
it.
I'll open you one. I have nothing on it.
Mine had nothing. It's okay.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm not opening it. Go down. Taste?
No flavor? What is it supposed to taste like? Sweet?
Yeah, it's supposed to taste
I
sweet.
want to try it. I think it has nothing.
Ooh, what is that?
Oh, the little. That's it?
Is
Is that it?
No, over here. Yeah, yeah.
Here.
Oh. A hummingbird. Eating the
Oh, it's so
honeysuckle.
small.
Oh my god, I love them. Emma, we have to go get those tattooed on us ASAP.
We can.
Okay, I did not really taste anything, but it was worth the experience.
a very good batch, but I promise you, you get a good honeysuckle and it's real sweet.
There's
Go
nothing.
outside and
Why
try
are
you
we
guys
trying
some
these
honeysuckles.
ones that are darker yellow?
Yeah, those... The pink ones are not ready.
Like this one is super yellow.
Bro. Jaden, did you do this?
Look, can I eat
Did
that?
you do this? And what did she do it?
There's a bug in your hair.
Oh, so they're different. You did
Is there a
this.
bug on my shoulder? It really is.
Oh, it's a
Oh.
mosquito. It's a mosquito.
I was sucking that thing.
Bro, it's in your hair. Hold on.
That hurt.
Sorry, I had to kill it. It's my instinct. As soon as I see a mosquito, I have to slap it.
Okay, guys, we should go look. I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. Time to put that bug spray on.
I think now we're going to the park part.
That way?
I don't know. I don't know.
Was it where that swimming pool was?
Maybe. We're gonna go to the park and yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do there. I don't know what the park looks like. I forgot. So see you guys there. I think we're at the park part, but look at this. Oh my god. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful waterfall. Oh my god.
Nature!
Any words?
Nature.
Damon versus geese. He's gonna get fucked up. I hope they attack me too. That'd be so funny. Oh shit, he has food. Oh, they're coming now. Oh. Wait. Oh Damon, bro. Oh. Oh, they're fighting. Bro. Bro.
They nibble a little bit.
Look, he's coming up to you. Hold it out to him.
No, it's gonna
Hold it out to him.
Okay, Jay. For the content. Okay, I can't.
Do it. It's just like a duck.
Hey,
Okay.
hey, gentle. Okay, wait, I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I can.
Look, that's so nice.
No? Let me try. Look, gentle, please.
That was not gentle. Why are they loud so loud? Wait, do this one again. That one's so nice.
This one's coming up. He wants one.
Oh, he's scared of that guy. He's scared.
Is he choking? I keep getting it choking. Look, let's get this one.
Oh, he's scared.
Oh.
Oh. Honk, honk. Look, he honked at you. Before they.
Emma, you should try one.
Yeah, one by
Dude,
hand.
doing a
I
long-
promise you, they don't get your finger.
I think they don't want.
They don't get your finger, Emma.
Try it. It's okay. Okay, that one's nice.
You can let go right before they bite it.
Yeah, they have it.
See, he just got my finger.
Imagine
it
they
really
all-
doesn't hurt. Even if
Imagine
get
they
your
all get
finger.
diarrhea after this.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
Shy.
Even if they get
Try
your
it,
finger,
try
it
it.
doesn't hurt.
Do you want me to film you doing it?
Oh, so cute. Do you want to do some more?
This might be the best part of the whole
I
trip.
know, feeding geese. Huh? I think he's shy.
Oh!
He's a shy one. Oh,